Have you ever been on a virtual video call when a Zoom fail happens? Well, don't let it happen to you.
We're going to show you how to stand out by organizing your virtual meeting surroundings, just the do's and the don'ts. So let's get started.
Now that you've seen the do's and the don'ts of virtual meeting surroundings side by side, we hope that you shine bright during your next virtual video call. All of us at Mission to Organize are here to support you.
Keep up with us on social media and subscribe to M2O Buzz for more examples of how you can connect virtually. We'll put the links in the description. Until next time, bye!